Hello, good morning friends. This is Mr. Nankishore Talware, SVKM Institute of Pharmacy, Dhule. Today we are discussing tablets, learning objectives. At the end of session, students will able to define tablets, list out the advantages and disadvantages of tablets. Introduction. Tablet is defined as compressed unit solid dosage form containing medicaments with or without excipients. According to Indian Pharmacopoeia, pharmaceutical tablets are solid, flat or biconvex dishes, unit dosage forms prepared by compressing a drug or mixture of drug with or without diluents. So friends, which is the most popular used dosage form according to you and why? So hopefully all of you have noted, and now we will discuss why tablet is the best, most popularly widely used dosage form. T stands for tailor-made release profile. A stands for accuracy of dose. B stands for bitter taste can be masked by coating. L stands for long stability, light and compact weight. E stands for economic and easy to transport. T stands for tamper-proof, and S stands for self-administration is possible. Disadvantages: difficult to swallow. Amorphous or low-density drugs are resist the compression. Difficult to formulate, poor wetting, slow dissolution drugs. And liquid drugs trapped into tablets is very less due to their liquid in state. Since tablets are compressed dosage form, requires disintegration dissolution time more and thus slow onset of action. Properties of tablets: accurate dosage of medicament, uniform in weight, appearance and diameter. Release the medicinal agents in a body in a predictable and reproducible manner. It should be chemically and physically stable throughout its lifetime. It should be elegant, acceptable size and shape. Have the strength to withstand the rigors of mechanical shocks encountered in its production, packaging, shipping and dispensing. Types of tablets. First, oral tablets. Those who are ingested. Standard compressed tablets, multiple compressed tablets, sustained release tablets, sugar coated tablets, film coated tablets, chewable tablets, dispersible tablets. Tablets which are used in oral cavity: lozenges, sublingual tablets, tablet kept below under tongue, buccal tablets and dental cones. Third type of tablets are tablet administered by other routes like vaginal tablets, which are used as contraceptives, and implants which can be given by other routes like under skin. Tablets to prepare for solution like effervescent tablets, Disprin, hypodermic tablets, then soluble tablets and tablet triturates. This is all about tablets. Thank you.